he does have 6, and if he can bag a few this tournament, he could be up near the all-time top goal scorers. Washington Arubi is another experienced campaigner in between the sticks. He's making his 5th. Shells will be the man with the whistle. Joseph.
What a hat. I mean, within the first opening minutes of the game, Mozambique almost scored and he requested for a hat.
Listen, when you're talking about the first minute, I'm saying the first second of the game. And that's how quick it took him to realize. And for me, it's credit to the Mozambican side that realized that there was an opportunity to take right from the onset. And yes, they nearly profited, but the excellent experience of the goalkeeper came to his rescue.
And we look at both these teams, right? Mozambique is the most inexperienced out of the two, fielding most of, a new look team, but they're not looking like a team that is inexperienced.
But
right
at least they're active. Their league is active. That's a difference. I mean, if you talk Zimbabwe, and for me, it's even amazing that they've been able to stay in the game for this long. Remember, they've not been active, and which means basically their legs are going to go heavy very soon. And I think the second half we might see a different Mozambique, which will continue to apply a lot of pressure. And because they've got the legs, their legs is active, they're fitter, they're better condition than Zimbabwe.
Yeah, and Zimbabwe is slowly starting to settle in the game and starting to really show us why they are the 6-time champions. But we still haven't seen much of Karuru.
Unfortunately, you mentioned that they're holding too much ball position in their
of improvisation. Call made by Caesar Tlangamandla of Lesotho.
The second official, absolutely spot on. As we look at it again, the ball played into the box, route one this time, favored and flicked. There you go, all alone, feeling the breeze of PE, and Arubi just knew that it was an offside.
100% the correct decision, but nice conviction shown by Milk to take that on. Knew where the goal was.